Welcoming your little ones to the family is one of the most awesome experiences in your life. With all the happiness that they bring comes a lot of challenges, especially for new moms. Today I'm going to be talking about tips and ideas that you need to know in order to manage your time properly as a new mom. Number one, make a to-do list. Yes, get a pen and paper. Write everything you need to do on a daily basis. Make sure you write them down on paper. The most important thing, mind you, the most important thing that you need to do on a daily basis, make sure you write them on a paper. So anytime you accomplish any task, check them out. As you do them, you check it out on the go. Okay, that's number two. Let go of unnecessary tasks. Yes, there are some tasks that you don't really need to pay your attention into. You don't need to focus your attention to. Just let go. If you have to outsource them, please go ahead and do that. Find somebody else to do it for you in order to save your time and get things done. Number three, take advantage of delivery services and outsource some tasks. Yes, there are a lot of grocery stores like Walmart, Kroger, Publix. They all offer delivery services. When you need to buy your groceries, go online, install the apps, go online, order these groceries online. Then they're going to get delivered to you at a very, very cheaper price and at your doorstep. So make sure you take advantage of these services. They are all available everywhere. So make sure you try them out. It's going to make your life more easier and save your sanity. Number four, planning meals. Make sure you have a timetable for your weekly meals. Yes, make sure you have a timetable for your weekly meals. Once you have your timetable for your weekly meals, it's going to be more easier for you to order groceries online. All you just need to do is go online, order your groceries, and they're going to get delivered to you with no stress. You don't have to start thinking about, oh, what do I need to cook for dinner, or what do I need to make for breakfast. That way you're gonna be happy and things are gonna get done. Number five, have your ready to go bag. Yes, as a new mom, we know sometimes you can need to quickly rush out of the house to go somewhere. Make sure you always have a bag that contains wipes, diapers, baby extra changing clothes, shoes, bib, things that they need often. Make sure it's in the bag, and things that you need as a mom as well. Make sure you have a bag always ready for that, for those stuff, always ready and handy to go. Number six, be very, very flexible in your thoughts and your actions. Yes, be very, very flexible, because with new babies you have to be very flexible. Even if you're not flexible, you're going to learn the skills, because they will make you learn it. The emergency will arise. Sometimes they might poop and then you need to change them. Sometimes they're hungry, on expected time that you don't even think they should be hungry. Maybe you just feed them like 20-30 minutes ago and they're hungry again. Man, you need to leave whatever you are doing and go feed that baby, because guess what, they will be crying and be all over your face. So you have to be flexible as a new mom and always ready to go. Number seven, self-care. Make self-care make it a priority for you. As a mom, you need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of your health. You need to eat healthy food, do exercise, and so that you yourself can be healthy and whole, both mentally, physically, and spiritually. Make sure you take care of yourself. As a new mom, we easily get up. As a mom, we easily get caught in chores and trying to make sure our baby's priority come first. Yes, their priority come first, but as mom as well, we need to take care of ourselves in order to save our sanity, so that we can be healthy and strong to take care of the little ones. Okay, so make self-care a priority. Number 8, learn to say no. There are some unnecessary things that you don't need to get yourself involved, like maybe going to friends get together, maybe planning a date night. There are some date nights that you can't be able to attend. maybe friends invite you to a date night and you can't be able to attend it, due to your schedule. Maybe you need to rest, you need to take some time to yourself. It's okay to say no to some things that are not that important, okay? And you don't have to feel guilty about it. So it is very, very okay to say no when you should, in order to save your sanity. Babies are babies are handful, but they are also very, very adorable and a blessing to the family. But with a newborn comes with change of lifestyle. Your lifestyle is going to change totally. Your thinking is going to change. Your routine is going to change. Everything about you is going to change with having a baby. So, in order for you to get your sanity together, make sure you practice time management. Time management is a very, very important skill that you need to practice with having a newborn baby, in order for you and the baby and the family to be healthy and strong and happy and have a fun-filled memory with a new journey and new milestone. All right, if you want more content like this, make sure to leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. If you want to read more blog posts on parenting ideas, tips, and tricks, head over to my website www.simpleaffordabledIY.com, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.